Before you start to make cocktails, first you should have the knowledge about these 9 important cocktail making techniques, which are the backbones of cocktail making process. Do you want to be a good bartender? My friend, I am sure these techniques also helps you to make good cocktail maker and good bartender. Cocktail making and a shaking is a synonyms. It means shaking is the mostly using techniques to making cocktails, which helps to fastest mix and dilutes the drinks. In a shaking technique, a cocktail maker first fill the ingredients into the shaker, seal it and shaking vigorously. The perfect timing of shaking is between 13 to 15 seconds. Then strain and pour into the glass. Especially there are 3 types of shaker used in bar to make cocktails, like as Boston shaker, cobbler shaker, and French shaker. Blending is an important technique to make cocktails, which is used to mix heavier ingredients, like as fruits, ice, cream, etc., for the making smooth and proper texture. In this technique, simply puts all the ingredients into an electronic blender and blending until achieve the results. Straining is another key technique to make cocktails. It is used to pass the drink through a strainer to strain any solid things, such as ice, pulp or other things which we don't want in final stage of cocktail making. Mostly 3 strainers are using to make cocktails, like as julep strainer, hawthorn strainer, and fine strainer. Pouring is a mostly used technique, which also demonstrate the skills of bartenders to master. It includes 2 pouring styles. One is free pouring without measuring tool, and another is pouring with measuring tool, also called jigger. Using free pouring technique is quicker and easier but not always accurate. And using measuring tool is an accurate measuring, but might be a problem in a busy environment because of slowdown process. Stirring is also popular technique to make cocktails. Stirring is done at a slower pace to ensure the end product isn't as heavily diluted. In this techniques, simply fill a glass with ice and the required mixtures and stir it using a bar spoon. Layering is another important technique, in which creating distinct layers within the cocktail by gently pouring different mixes on top of each other. For this technique we should have the knowledge about density of drinks. In this method, simply hold a spoon near the top of the drink and gently pour each liquid onto the spoon first, so it gently rolls off into the drink and creating layers. Building is a mostly used mixing method, in which pouring all the ingredients directly into the final glass, instead of using a mixing glass or cocktail shaker. This technique is designed for speed and ease, which is ideal for drinks with only a few ingredients. Muddling is a key technique for cocktails, which is used to crush the ingredients using muddler. In this technique, simply put the ingredients at the bottom of the glass, and with the help of muddler, crush the ingredients to extract the juices and flavors. This cocktail making technique plays a vital role to make an attractive cocktail. It is generally done at the final step as a finishing touch, which helps to make a cocktail look more aesthetically pleasing or add another flavor profile.